Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you use QuickBooks Online, you know how important it is for your invoices to reflect your brand's identity. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to edit your QuickBooks online invoice template, step by step, so your invoices look professional, polished, and perfectly aligned with your business image. Let's jump right in. First things first, customizing your invoice template in QuickBooks. Online isn't just about looks, it's about building trust and consistency with your clients. A well-designed invoice tells your customers that you mean business. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the QuickBooks Online website, click Sign In, then enter your email and password. Make sure your password is case sensitive. It's a small detail, but it can save you login headaches. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your QuickBooks dashboard. From here, click the plus new button on the left-hand menu. Under the Customer section, select Invoice. This will open a new invoice window where you can start customizing your layout. Now, scroll to the bottom of the invoice page and click Customize. You'll see an option that says Edit Current. Go ahead and select that. This opens up your template settings and gives you full control over how your invoices look. Here's where the fun begins. You can tweak the layout, adjust font styles and colors, and even upload your business logo to make your invoices pop. Use the preview function to instantly see how your edits look before finalizing them. This ensures everything appears clean and professional. Once you're satisfied with your design, click Done to save the changes. From now on, every invoice you create will automatically use your updated personalized template. That's it. Your brand new professional invoice template is ready to impress your clients. And there you have it. A simple, foolproof way to edit your QuickBooks Online invoice template. If this guide helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more QuickBooks tutorials, and drop a comment below if there's another topic you want me to cover next.